So now meanwhile my friends, we can just go to home and we can do the other topics or other tools we can explore. Okay, so here you can see AI copy generation tool. So you can just simply click on this tool. You can define the language. For example, I can choose it as an English language, and choose, you can mark keyword. Basically you can just choose, for example, SEO. Okay, or you can even put like SEO backlink service. Okay, so you can just choose the language and keyword on which you want to create your copywriting. Okay, so you can do that, and then you can just even write some text description that you want to create a SEO backlink service, and then from here you will see the generate text number. So from here you can just choose how much character you want. So I will go with 100, and then you can just click on this generate copy, and it will going to generate you a marketing copy. Okay, so you can use it if you want to. Okay, so whatever you feel is looking good for your business, you can. Okay, so you can just read one of them, like whatever you feel is comfortable. Okay, like looking to boost your website's SEO, look no further. Okay, so I can just select this particular one because I'm loving it. And if you are not satisfied, you can just continue to create more. Okay, so I will just simply click on this copy, and this will be copied successfully. Okay, and then I can just paste it here. Okay, so I can just put my here. You can just save it on your notes. Okay, copywriting text for SEO backlink. Okay, paste it. So you can just keep it for a safe side. Okay, and then after you will do this, you can just go to my project. Okay, and you will going to go to home again. Now we can just go ahead with this AI text dubbing. So you can just select this option. Now we will going to paste the content which we have generated from the tool. Okay, so you can first of all choose the language. I can just choose character. You can choose it from here as well. Okay, language, for what purpose you want to. You can even adjust the speech rate and adjust tone as well, and you can also create AI copywriting from their tool as well. But here whatever text I have copied or we have generated in the previous tab. Okay, so with the help of copywriting tool, I will just right click here and paste it over here. Okay, and you can even increase the interval as well, and from here you can just listen the audio preview. Okay, for example, if I click here,
looking to boost your website SEO, look now.
Right, so here it's looking kind of here, looking to boost your website. Okay, now let me play.
Looking to boost your website SEO, look no further than our SEO backlink.
Right, so if you are if you are comfortable with this, and if you want to adjust something, you can do that from here. And after you will do this, just click on this confirm button. Okay, now you can see we have generated this particular audio one. Of course you can download the copy or delete it. So from here click on this button, and this particular will be downloaded in the MP3 file on your computer. Okay, so if you are a Mac user, so just go to your finder under your audio MP3 under download. You will see this file which we have downloaded. Okay, and basically if you are Windows user, so you can just go to my computer under download folder. You will see that audio file. Okay,